Okay, it's the fifth video in the absolute value review. We're going to graph these absolute value inequalities, and then we're going to describe the solution to these. First one let's do is let's just go ahead and get 22 out of the way. We have k plus 2. Let's go ahead and graph that k plus 2. That just basically, if I do that, says to shift my absolute value to the left 2. So my vertex will be here at -2. And then nothing changes my slope, so up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, like that. And up 1 over 1 over here too. So it's going to look like that. And then I have 3 is going to be less than or equal to 3. Here's 3. And this one we're shading down. This one's going to be down. It means we're going to be above this one. So my stuff I want is in here. That area in there. What I want down here for my solution is I'm going to take this x value, where that starts, which is -5, all the way to this value right here, which is 1. And my k is going to be between that, so less than or equal to k less than or equal to 1. So -5 less than or equal to k less than or equal to 1. And basically that's that distance here, from there to there, or my solutions will fall. Well, I'm doing 23. Let's go ahead and graph this left side. Let's go ahead and graph this left side here. Negative, so it's open down, and my vertex is shifted to the left 5. So there's my vertex. I'm going down. Slope still is 1 up, 1 down, 1 over. Okay, and it is going to be less than 1. So less than 1, if I look at this, I'm all this and this stuff still above this, there's still area above that. It goes across, never stops. That's just going to be all real numbers. And the last one we're going to do is going to be a simple equals. Doesn't have an inequality sign on there. First thing we have to do is graph this mess. So when I graph this mess here, I'm going to first do the vertex. The +1 inside says to move to the left 1. So move to left 1. The +2 outside says move up 2. There's my vertex. I have a vertical stretch, so it's going to get narrower by 2, and it's positive, so it goes up. That means I have a slope of 2, up 1 over 2, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 left 1, up 2 left 1, like that. So there is my, on this one technically here, since it didn't equal sign, this would be broken lines, but not too concerned with that. And so we have this one graphed over here, and where it equals 4. So I'm going to draw a line at 4. Y equals 4 right there. And I have a solution there and there. So that's -2. And this is that 0? And 0. Those are my solutions. Guess that would technically be J is equal to -2, and J is equal to 0. Let's go ahead and add the last one on here. I didn't see it earlier. There's a question at the bottom. It says, consider the functions of f and g. Describe the transformations to go from f, that's our first one, to g, second one. We're going from here to here. First thing I notice at the beginning, this has a slope of 1, or the number in front, the coefficient in front of us is 1, and this is 2. So that's going to be a vertical stretch by what factor? So 1 to 2, so it's going to go up by 2. Inside, let's go ahead and look inside. I start at -1, so that's over here to the right. And I'm going to +3, which means I'm going to the left. From -1 to 3, how many is that? So that's a shift. We're going from right to left, left, and that's actually going to be 4. If I draw that out for us, so this says right 1, this says left 3 from the origin. So there's my 1, 2, 3, 4 that way. Then I have my vertical part here. This one says I'm going from 2 to -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be down 6. So shift down 6. That's what I'm looking for right there. And that is the end.